I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable crypto loans on Kraken, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Create or log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and either create a new account or log into your existing one. Make sure your account is verified to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the Loans section. Once logged in, go to the Funding tab in the main menu and select Loans from the drop-down options. This is where you can manage your loan settings. Step 3. Enable Loan feature. In the Loans section, look for an option to enable the loan feature. This may require you to agree to certain terms and conditions, so read them carefully before proceeding. Step 4. Set your loan preferences. After enabling the feature, set your preferences for loan amounts, collateral types, and repayment terms. Make sure to choose options that suit your financial strategy. Step 5. Review and confirm. Finally, review all your settings and confirm your choices. You may receive a confirmation email or a notification once the loan feature is successfully enabled. Remember to double-check the collateral requirements. For instance, if you choose Bitcoin as collateral, ensure you have enough in your account. Happy trading!